Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about mink oil. So you should try milk oil or not, and what are the issues and what are the benefits of mink oil. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, mink oil is a source of palmitoleic acid which possess physical properties similar to human sebum. So basically this is a oil type product, and you can use this product for leather polishing and all. Okay, so basic use of this product is like for your leather products, like your shoes, like your leather belts, and like your furniture, leather related products. When you use this oil on your leather products, it will glow and it will prevent from cracking, and it will also give you good texture of your leather. Okay, and it will give you extra life for your leather products. Okay, so I want to show you something, like if you are going to use mink oil, then what type of effect you are going to get. So you can see over here some images on your screen. You will see this kind of effect you are going to get. In the first one, like you can see on your screen left side, this is a you can say mink oil leather shoes, and another one is not used for, you can say, like without mink oil leather shoes. Okay, and if we talk about like some more images, you can see easily, very easily you can see images, lots of different you can see on your screen. Like you will see over here, this is like this you can say shoe is used by like mink oil, and this one is without mink oil. Okay, so you can see the difference very clearly. So basically this is a very good product. You should try for your shoes at least once, and if you get good and amazing results, you can make a comment, and if you have any experience with this product, you can also share your thoughts in our comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.